Dobar dan, dragi učenici, i dobrodošli na još jedan sat engleskog jezika. Tema današnje lekcije su dnevne rutine. Nakon što pogledamo ovu video snimku i riješimo zadatke, ovdje su navedeni odgojno-obrazovni ishodi koji će biti ostvareni. Dakle, vi ćete moći odgovarati na pitanja o dnevnoj rutini, govoriti o dnevnoj rutini, postavljati pitanja o dnevnoj rutini, a isto tako i koristiti odgovarajuću digitalnu tehnologiju. Okay, let's start. Do you know the meaning of this word, jigsaw puzzle? If you know, great. And if you don't know, here is the picture of a jigsaw puzzle. And I also have a link to an online jigsaw puzzle. So click on the link and this is what you will get. So your task is to try to fit all of these jigsaw pieces together to get a complete picture. Use all the pieces. You can easily move them with your mouse. Just click on the piece of a puzzle and you may move it around. Okay, so you may pause the video now and complete the picture. And here we have the final product. So this is the picture. So what can you see? Yes, this is the girl. And what is the girl doing? She's doing her homework. Well done. And now what about your homework? I will read now some questions and I would like you to answer the questions, and your possible answers are right here at the bottom. So you may answer with yes I do, no I don't, yes he or she does, or no he or she doesn't. So listen to me and answer. Do you like homework? Does your friend help you with your homework? Does your mom or dad help you with your homework? Do you do your homework after school? Do you do your homework at school? But of course, homework is not the only activity that you do during the day. There are, of course, many other activities. So now, listen to the boy talking about his daily routine. Upišite ovu poveznicu u adresnu traku i ne morate slušati cijeli video, samo prvi dio u kojem govori dječak. Okay. And I will read some questions now, and then you may listen to the boy again and answer the questions in your notebook. So, what time does the boy get up and why? What does he usually have for breakfast? How does he go to school? Where does he have lunch? Where does he go after lunch? What does he do at home after school? What does he do in the evening? And it's your turn to ask questions. So ask me about my daily routine. I will answer your questions. So my first answer is I get up at 6:30 because I have to travel to school. And my next answer is I usually have bread and butter, but sometimes I also have cereals. My next answer, I go to school by car. And my next answer, I have lunch in the school canteen. Next, after school, I go to the shop and then I go home. Next, I cook dinner for my family. And my last answer, I usually chat with my children for a while and then I watch TV. Okay, so now copy the questions in your notebooks. Listen to me again and complete my answers to your questions. And now we are about to repeat some vocabulary and terms about daily routine with flashcards, with some games and with some other tools. U svoju adresnu traku opet upišite poveznicu, ovu ovdje koju vidite na ekranu. I otvorit će vam se jedna naslovnica aplikacije Quizlet. To je jedna zgodna stranica za učenje stranih jezika. Kada otvorite aplikaciju preko poveznice Bitly, s lijeve strane možete vidjeti popis različitih zadataka i igrica, evo ovdje dolje igrica za učenike. So let's see what you can do here. If you click on the first one, flashcards, the first flashcard will open and you can read the term have breakfast. If you click again on the flashcard, it will turn over and you will see the picture. The next task on the left side is learn, so this time you will just repeat the terms and the pictures. If you do something wrong, you will get a notice, study this one. You can also listen. And then you press the blue button. And in the following task, you have to write. Actually, you can have a look at the picture and then type what you see in the picture. And again, press the blue button, answer. In this one, you will hear the term and type what you hear. And it's time for a test. So here you can see just one task in the test. This is task number 4, matching questions. So what you have to do is to match the pictures A, B, C, and D with the terms 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's time to play games. So the first game is drag and drop. You have to drag pictures to the terms very quickly to make them disappear. Why quickly? Because the fastest finger wins the game. And one more game. This one is called the gravity game. You can see here asteroids, and the asteroids are falling down. And before the asteroid hits the planet, you have to type the term that you can see in the asteroid, and you have to type it here in this empty space. And let's do self-assessment. So you can see the checklist, and if you can't do some of these statements, put a tick in the box, and if you can't, put a cross. So the first one is I can name some daily activities. If you can, put a tick. If you can't, put a cross. Then I can ask questions about daily activities. I sjetite se, ovdje ste postavljali pitanja meni u mojoj dnevnim aktivnostima. So if you can ask questions, put a tick. And if you think you can't, put a cross. I can answer questions about daily activities. If you can, put a tick. If you can't, put a cross. And I can talk about my daily routine. So if you can say something about your daily routine, put a tick, or if you can't, put a cross. And that's it. That's all for today. Bye-bye.